Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link eBay to PayPal. Want to link your PayPal account to eBay for faster payments or purchases? In this short tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect PayPal to your eBay account, even with eBay's managed payments system in place. Now let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to log into your eBay account, and to do that, just go to ebay.com, open the website, and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Once you logged in, go to My eBay, click on it, here, click on Payments, on the Payments section, and click again on My eBay. Now under Account Settings, choose Payments and scroll down to see your payments methods. Let's look for the payments methods right here. Click on Payments, under Sell-in section, and here you're gonna find the payments methods. The third step is to add a PayPal as payments method. For buyers, go to Payments options and click on Add Payments Method and select PayPal and log into your PayPal account and authorize eBay. Now for sellers, know the limits. eBay now uses managed payments, so sellers can't receive payments through PayPal directly. However, you can still use PayPal to pay sell-in fees and just go to Account Settings, Payments, Manage Automatic Payments, and then select PayPal as the payments method. And that's it. PayPal is now linked to your eBay's account. For selling, your PayPal email must match your eBay email to avoid errors, and eBay no longer supports PayPal payouts for sellers. Use Payoneer or Direct Bank, and you can still use PayPal for purchases, refunds, and fee payments. And this was it for today's tutorial. These were some information about how to link eBay to PayPal. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.